Hi, I'm Jarek, and today we are going to be shooting this raw egg, wondering if it will pop. Look at it, it's kind of weird. I put vinegar on a raw egg for 24 hours in a jar, then took out the vinegar and refilled it with new fresh vinegar, and it looks weird and the entire shell went away. So now I'm gonna see what happens when I shoot it with my airsoft gun. Okay, so I shot it and this happened. It burst completely. That was really